Good evening. Tonight we will be talking about copper. Copper is a chemical element with the symbol Cu and atomic number 29. It is soft, malleable, and ductile metal with a very high thermal and electrical conductivity. Copper can be found in the ground. The biggest extractors of it are the countries of Chile, Peru, China, the Congo, and the U.S., with Arizona being the leading copper producing state, which puts out about 68% of domestic output. And then Utah, New Mexico, Nevada, Montana, our own state of Michigan, and Missouri. Copper mining is usually performed using open pit mining, in which a series of stepped benches are dug deeper and deeper into the earth over time. To remove the ore, boring machines are used to drill holes into the hard rock, and explosives are inserted into the drill holes to blast and break the rock. U.S. mining has increased by roughly 6% between 2018 and 2019. And at the end of 2019, the average price for copper was $2.70 a pound. Copper is fun to me because it's used for piping and wiring. I do heating and cooling, so all refrigeration, air conditioning, things of that nature is just copper piping. And then the copper wires for the electrical as well. Without copper, I don't think that I would have a job. So all about the copper. Here you see the copper wires. Most of them are insulated with rubber so they don't touch each other. Here's the copper pipes, which most plumbing and heating and cooling equipment are made out of. Copper is often recycled, which is nice that they can reuse it. It's not just used once and thrown in the trash can like many other things. Thanks.